Hello, this is Gene from Adobo Test Kitchen, and I'm here to show you how to make deep-fried adobo Brussels sprouts. And here are the ingredients. 1 pound Brussels sprouts quartered, a quarter cup soy sauce, a quarter cup of white vinegar, a quarter cup of mirin, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 5 cloves of garlic crushed, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil for stir frying, and 3 cups of vegetable oil for deep frying. We're going to heat up a wok into high heat and add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Now we're going to add the garlic and fry until it's golden brown. We're going to add the rest of the vegetable oil and heat to 350 degrees. We're going to fry the Brussels sprouts in batches for about 2 minutes. We're going to drain the excess oil by placing the Brussels sprouts on a wire rack. Now we're going to make the adobo sauce by combining the soy sauce, the vinegar, the mirin, the fried garlic, and the black pepper. Now we're going to add the Brussels sprouts in a large non-reactive bowl and pour in the sauce and mix well. So there you have it, my recipe for deep fried adobo Brussels sprouts. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.